If you're trying to cast your Google TV, but it's not connecting, not showing up, or keeps disconnecting, it usually happens because of Wi-Fi issues, app permission problems, or outdated software. In this guide, I'll show you how to quickly fix casting issues on your Google TV. Solution 1. Check Wi-Fi and restart devices. In order to cast, both your Google TV and your casting device like phone or tablet must be on the same Wi-Fi network. If they're not, casting won't work. Go to your Google TV home menu, navigate to settings, then select network and internet. Here, make sure your Wi-Fi network on the TV is the same as your casting device. After checking all that, restart your router. Then restart your phone and also restart your TV. Now try casting again. This refreshes network connections and often fixes the issue instantly. Solution 2. Re-enable Google Cast. Go to your Google TV home menu. From there, navigate to the settings. Now scroll down to apps and open it. Then see all apps. Scroll down to the bottom. Now select Show System Apps. Scroll down through this list to find the Google Cast. Once you've found it, open it. Now select Disable from here and confirm your choice. After that, enable it once again. Re-enabling the cast feature sometimes works out very well. Check out your issue, and if the problem persists, then try the last solution. Solution 3. Clear cache and data of Google Cast. While you are still at the Google Cast settings, select Clear Cache this time. Then confirm your choice. After that, select Clear Data and confirm your choice. Doing this removes all the user data of Google Cast, but usually this fixes the issue. And that's how you can fix casting problems on your Google TV. If this guide helps you out, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Google TV solutions. Thanks for watching.